Hi, welcome to Grid Down Preparedness. My name's Wade, and man, has it been an interesting couple of days with the hard freeze. As you can see, there's no insulation around that pipe, so I made a critical error. But before I get to what I did wrong, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this video for more content. I know my last video about my well freezing up wasn't very popular, but I do appreciate everybody that does watch the videos, especially to the end. So thank you guys, and leave a comment. Don't be afraid. I'd like to engage with my followers. So let's get to what actually happened. This is the section I had to take out, and as you can see, it was quite the split. That split runs all the way up through here into this piece. While I was cutting that off, I realized when I went to go make a cut right here, the split actually continued. So I had to cut back past where I could find the split part and actually go in here and make sure there was no split. I did have all of my spare parts of pipe from when I built this. You notice I have a union there in case I ever have to change out a pressure tank and I don't have to cut any pipe. But I had heat trace on it. So why on earth did the pipe freeze and burst like it did? Well, these long runs of pipe, I have two different runs of heat trace. So the shorter length of heat trace goes here and goes down around my bypass valve, comes up around here, and then goes into here. That pipe's fine, no issues. This heat trace ends over here, runs all the way around, bypasses the filter, goes down all around, makes a big U up through here, comes down to here, and then we get to how I messed up. See this galvanized pipe? See a little black puck on there? That's the actual temperature thermostat that conducts off of that pipe. And I followed the instructions and I zip tied everything the way it is. I'm gonna redo this. Well, probably wasn't thinking it through when I put it there. I was more worried about making the length of heat trace go to where it needed to go, because before this froze up, which is why there's a cardboard box with a duct tape on top of it. It's a temporary fix for this year till I can build a pump house. So the water coming out of the ground is over 65 degrees. The thermostat kicks on at 42 degrees. So if that is at anything above 42, it doesn't turn on. So this gets some sunlight throughout the day. This part of pipe is relatively close to this, so there's a little bit of radiant heat that does slightly make it through the insulation. But down here, it's in shade most of the day. And that's where we had our problem. And now, as soon as this glue dries, we'll get everything put back together, get the heat trace zip tied back into position, and we'll call it a wrap. But I wanted to make the video while it was still daylight. I gotta wait 2 hours for this glue to properly cure, and then probably tomorrow I'll wrap everything up. It's not gonna freeze tonight, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.